In this video, we're diving into how to use automated tracking pixels for a seamless setup, which can drastically improve your ad tracking and conversion tracking efficiency. Whether you're setting up tracking for Facebook, Google, or any other platform, using automated tracking pixels can save you time and ensure your data is accurate. Now, here's the thing. Tracking pixels are vital for understanding your audience's behavior, but getting them set up properly can sometimes feel a little complicated. The good news is, automated tracking pixels simplify the entire process and ensure everything is running smoothly. I'll walk you through how to do this without all the headaches. First, the first step is to pick a software that automates this whole tracking process. The software we'll be using today is simple, effective, and lets you implement pixels in just a few clicks. This is ideal for those who want a streamlined experience without the usual technical hassle. Now, before you dive in, you'll need to create an account on the platform and install the base code on your website. This typically involves copying a small snippet of code and placing it in the header of your website. Once you've done that, you're ready to go. Next, let's talk about setting up the pixel itself. In most software, you'll have the option to create a new tracking pixel directly in the platform's dashboard. For example, you'll find options to track specific events, like page visits, add to carts, or even successful purchases. Just pick the type of event you want to track, and the software will automatically generate the corresponding pixel code for you. No need to mess around with manually editing code. Once the pixel is created, you'll need to add it to the page where you want to track these actions. This can be done with a simple plugin if you're using WordPress or a tag manager if you're working with a custom site. These tools automatically handle the placement for you, so all you need to do is paste the pixel into the required fields. The software will take care of the rest, ensuring that the pixel is properly placed on your site. Now let's move on to testing the pixel to make sure it's working properly. After setting up the pixel, you'll want to test it. Most automated tracking software has a built-in testing tool that lets you simulate the event and verify that your pixel is firing correctly. This is a simple but essential step in the process. Without testing, you might miss crucial data that could affect your ad campaigns. Another thing to keep in mind is cross-platform tracking. Many businesses run ads across multiple platforms, so having a single software that can integrate all your pixels into one dashboard is incredibly helpful. This makes it easier to track performance and optimize ads across Facebook, Google, and more, all from one place. And here's the best part. The software we'll be using today also offers an automatic sync feature, meaning once you set up your pixel, it will continue to update itself as you make changes to your website without requiring manual intervention. This means no more worrying about outdated pixels or missing tracking data. To summarize, here's what you need to take away from this video. Using automated tracking pixels is a game changer for your ad setup. It's quick, it's easy, and it's extremely effective for tracking events across your site. Set up your pixel code in your website's header, create the right tracking events in your software dashboard, test it, and integrate it with your ad platforms. That's all it takes. Finally, don't forget, I highly recommend taking advantage of the exclusive free trial of the software we've used today, which you can find in the description below. It's an excellent way to follow along and see how easy automated tracking pixels can be when you have the right tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.